But if you never found me, I would die. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. You stay away and all I do is wonder why the hell I wait for you. But when did common sense prevail for lovers when we knew it never will? Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. You never treat me like you should, so what's the good of loving as I do? Although you always laugh at love, nothing else could be good enough for you. I must have got to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. You make me laugh, you make me cry, you make me live, you make me die for you. You make me sing, you make me sad, you make me glad, you make me mad for you. I love you, hate you, love you, hate you, but I wanna tell the world, stop stunning. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. I love you, hate you, love you, hate you, but I wanna tell the world, stop stunning. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone